Hello guys, in this video we'll be completing the challenge from the unit Use Formula Fields, where we'll be creating a formula to calculate the difference between the contract end date and the current date. So let's quickly jump into our Trailhead playground and find our object manager from the setup. Let's find the object contract. And go for fields and relationships. Here we are going to create a new field, which, as you might have guessed, is the formula. Let's copy our field label, which is days remaining. The formula return type is going to be a number, and the decimal places can be 0, as this is just going to be the difference between the days, so it won't end up in decimals. So once we are in the formula section, so here let's subtract the current date from the contract end date. So let's first insert the contract end date. Let's try to find the contract end date from the field. There it is. And insert. Here let's add an operator of subtraction, subtract, and for the current date, which means today, you can find it from the functions, which is today. And once you've done that, so this is essentially the formula. So to check for any errors, it's a good rule to check for syntax. So we found no errors in syntax, so let's go ahead and jump to the next step as well and click on save. So let's check if you've done everything right in this challenge. Formulas can be a little bit intimidating, but this was an easy challenge. Okay, see you in the next video. Bye bye.